Have you ever wondered what the connection is between our faith and the arts? Hi, my name is Leandro, and I want to invite you to a very special event. We'll have some artists show us how to draw, others how to take pictures, then we'll have some pottery classes, we'll have some special scrapbooking and card making and all kinds of things where we can explore how does creativity play into our faith and how can the arts express our faith. We'll also, of course, have music class and also a music festival where we're going to feature choir and orchestra. And these are all things that you can invite your friends to, and they are free. But what we want is for everyone to participate and learn something new and explore and think about how the creativity that God has put in the human heart can express that love for Him and for each other. Will you not join us? Will you not invite your loved ones and your friends and your neighbors? Take a look at the catalog and see which one you would be interested in attending and see which one you would be interested in bringing someone to.